Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. This is the last in my series on these multi-bit tools, and this is the Workpro. This is available at Amazon. I'll put a link below. This one is $19.99, so about mid-price range for all of the tools. But what I can tell you is this one has really good build quality, good ergonomics. I can tell you, I'm going to do this now in front of the mic. It's got the highest pitch count or tooth count of ratchets of all of the ratcheting screwdrivers I've done. It's got a good bit release mechanism. It's got nice long bits. The gear change is very good. Everything about this is well made, and it's got the best bit storage of any of them. Check this out. These long bits slide into these holes right in the butt, and you just slide them in, and they just kind of go in there and vanish into the handle of the tool. They don't affect your use case at all. One little nitpick, if you don't put them all the way in, they could stick out a little bit, and if you wrap your palm around the butt of it, you'll feel the bit sticking out, and you just push it back in. A little nitpick, not a big deal, and that's the only thing I can say about this thing that I don't like at all, and it's very, very minor. All right, everybody, starting with the 6 bits, which actually gives you 12. The first one is a slotted 4 and a slotted 5, which looks to me to be 1/4 inch and maybe 3/16. The next one is Phillips head 3 and Phillips head 1. So the small Phillips head and the larger of the all Phillips heads. This next one I think is the one they expect you to use the most because it has Phillips head 2 and square 2, which they're thinking are the most common bits. The next one then has square 1 and square 3. And then the last two have Torx 10, 15, Torx 20, and 25. So a good range of bits. There's no Allen here, which is a little, a little bit of a miss. It'd be nice to have a couple of Allen in here as well, but to do this amazing bit holding, they only have 6 holes here. And what is nice about it is you can put all 6 in, and with all 6 in, this tool travels like this. You can put this right in the back of your pocket and carry it, and it's just there. It's nice. There's no bit sticking out to cut the seat of your car. I mean, realistically, they're all nicely tucked away in there. I love the way they handled the tool holding on this thing. I love the ergonomics. It is a plasticky handle, but it does have, the blue here is rubbery, the red is plasticky. It has a good feel to it. Like I said, the ratcheting is top notch. This is a well-made tool. This could sit in a junk drawer in your kitchen, easily last you for years, putting together whatever you decide to bring in your house to assemble. This could also sit in a tool bag of a handyman who uses it every day because it's a good, well put together tool that could do daily use, or at its price point under $20, well, $19.99, so basically $20. You could put this in the junk drawer and it's well worth the money you spend. I mean, to me, it is a top-notch tool for almost anybody. I would recommend this to anybody that's looking for one of these ratcheting screwdrivers. All in all, this is a great tool. So that's it. We've done 10 tools now, and tomorrow I'm going to give you a video rundown of all 10 of them, what I think. And I'm going to, since the Olympics just ended a couple weeks ago, I'm going to make a little podium and give you my bronze, silver, and gold medal tool. So that's tomorrow.